Today, we're diving into the world of resume building with a look at 3 top Android applications. Let's explore what each has to offer. Resume Builder CV Maker. Resume Builder CV Maker is a user-friendly app aimed at helping users create professional resumes quickly. It features a variety of customizable templates that cater to different industries and personal styles. The app facilitates easy editing and includes tips to help users highlight their skills effectively. Users can export their resumes in multiple formats, making sharing straightforward. It's ideal for job seekers who need a polished resume in a short amount of time. Resume Builder Creator. Resume Builder Creator focuses on enabling users to build distinctive resumes effortlessly. Offering a selection of modern templates, this app emphasizes aesthetic appeal while allowing for section customization. Users can preview their resumes in real time and incorporate links to their social media profiles, enhancing their professional image. This app is perfect for those who want a visually appealing resume that stands out in today's competitive job market. Professional Resume Builder. Professional Resume Builder targets users interested in creating high-quality and industry-standard resumes. It provides tailored templates and a guided creation process to ensure clarity and professionalism. With content suggestions and multilingual support, it helps users craft impressive resumes that meet various job application criteria. This app is ideal for professionals who want their resumes to convey seriousness and a strong impression. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best Android resume builders has helped you find the right tool to elevate your job application. Good luck with your job search.